Guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you does your iPhone 5G data work very perfectly fine during normal use, but the moment you turn on the mobile hotspot your data disappear instantly fast. If yes, this video will explain the exact reason and show you how to fix it. So let's get started to the video step by step. First I will explain the problem. Using Facebook or Instagram for hours consume very little data, but when you share your iPhone internet using the hotspot, just in 15 to 20 minutes can drain multiple gigabytes very fast. This is not a network issue and your iPhone is not faulty. So there are some reasons. So reason number one is guys, hotspot give full internet access. When you enable hotspot, the connected device behave like a normal broadband connection. That mean if you have sharing your hotspot to a Windows PC or to a MacBook, if there is update is pending, so the Windows and MacBook will install immediately automatically by itself, or there is cloud syncing is on, so it will run in the background automatically. Even you are not actively using the device, data is still using in the background. Reason number two is this guys, 5G is extremely fast and higher speed mean higher data consumption. Mobile app on iPhone are data optimized, but laptop and other devices use full quality internet. Unlike some Android devices, iPhone does not offer a hotspot data limit or warning, so your data can drop from 100% to 0 without any alert. For your iPhone, you need to enable this setting, low power mode. To do this guys, you need to open your iPhone settings, okay, like this. In the iPhone settings, go to mobile services and go to mobile data option, and here you can get the option data mode. Open it and here you need to select low data mode. That's it. Okay, this limit background data usage and reduce unnecessary consumption. You need to switch 5G LTE to 4G. To do this guys, iPhone settings, here you can get the option voice and data. Open it. From here you need to select 4G. That's it. After this guys, you can control the connected device on the other device which you are sharing your mobile iPhone hotspot. On that device you need to turn off automatic update, disable cloud syncing, stop HD streaming and autoplay, especially in your Facebook and Instagram. Also you need to enable the data saving or data power mode on your other devices also. For example, I am sharing my iPhone hotspot in my Android, so that's why I'm doing these settings in my Android phone. Okay, so final advice is this guys, only turn on hotspot when necessary. Once your work is done, you need to simply turn off your hotspot. That's it, immediately. This simple habit can save you several gigabytes every day. If your video help you out and understand the real reason behind iPhone hotspot data drain, so please like the video and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more real world tech solutions. See you in the next one.